What is up, YouTube? My name is Oscar. Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $350 in 1 hour just by selling cookbooks online. And if you stick with me until the very end of this video, I have a bonus surprise for you, okay? So, what is the perfect way to make passive income online? Well, this job allows you to travel all over the world. It doesn't matter where you're from. You could be in Europe, you can be in Kazakhstan, Russia, Asia, Mongolia, China, Africa, United States, South America, Philippines, Vietnam. Honestly, anywhere around the world, you can do this method to make money online today. And you can make around $350 USD, okay? USD. This job allows you to travel the world, spend time with your family, go to the beach. You don't need to be stuck on your 9-to-5 grind every single day. This job allows you to work from home fully remotely. You can work on your laptop on the beach and spend time with your family. How does that sound? This job also allows you to actually pursue your hobbies. So for example, my hobbies is playing video games, and I can make money while I'm playing video games because once I actually make the product and promote it, I can just make money anytime, anywhere, all over the globe. It doesn't matter if I'm actually working or not, I can still get paid. So how does affiliate marketing work? It's very simple, it's very easy, and let me show you how right now. So number one, you become an affiliate for one of these top networks, and you could just sign up online really easily. I'm going to show you how to do it in just a little bit. Next up, you're going to be promoting products on social media. You don't need to run any ads, so this is not going to cost you any money. It only costs you around $1 to start up, okay? You could promote products on Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, anything that you like, honestly, okay? My number one recommendation is TikTok right now because you can get a ton of views from one video really easily. Next up, a customer clicks on your link. You could promote your link on your comments, on other people's YouTube videos, on your YouTube description, on your TikTok description, on your TikTok bio, and you can make money this way. And whenever someone clicks on your link, big brands from all over the globe like Amazon, things like that, are going to be paying you big commissions. So you don't need any products. You don't need to make an online course. You don't need to make a Shopify website. All you do is post a link on any of your social media sites and you are going to get paid, okay? You don't need a big following. It doesn't matter if you have 50 followers, especially if you're on TikTok and you make a video on, let's say, cookbooks, for example, on diets. You make one video, it gets 10,000 views. Let's say 100 people buy whatever link that you promote. They buy that product. You can make thousands of dollars just from one video. It's the safest and easiest way to make money online on your spare time, and you can actually get started today fairly quickly, fairly easily. So I'm going to show you how later on in this video. And you can make thousands of dollars in passive income, okay? This way you're diversifying your income stream, so it doesn't matter if you're working or not. If you're sleeping, you're still going to get paid each and every day. Some companies pay you up to 90% in commission. So for example, if your product is worth $500, you would earn $450 just from promoting one product, okay? So how can you get started? You can go to clickbank.com. Clickbank.com is an affiliate network. All you got to do is click sign up, and then you promote products on Clickbank. Some of these products commissions are as high as 90%. They've had over 200 million customers, and they're basically the middleman. They're basically like the eBay where people create like online products in the arts and entertainment section, e-business, e-marketing, games, tons of different categories, and then you get paid commission just promoting some of these products. And there are tons of networks out there, like Amazon, for example, has their own affiliate network. But today we're going to be looking at Clickbank, and we're going to be looking at the health and wellness niche because it's a really big niche. So for example, the health and wellness industry is worth around $4.2 trillion in 2017. Fitness, mind, and body is $595 billion. Healthy eating, nutrition, and weight loss is $702 billion. And this is what we're going to be looking at primarily in today's video because it's worth so much money. Imagine just taking 1% of that $702 billion. You would be a billionaire, okay? So you just need a small piece of that pie. Once you sign up for Clickbank, it's completely free. You can promote some of these offers. So for example, Fat burning, 101 anti-aging foods. You can make $20 whenever someone clicks on that link. You can make anabolic cookbooks, $52 whenever someone clicks on that link. So for example, let's go look at this muscle building cookbook because bodybuilding is what's really in right now. So let's go look at their offer. This is going to be their landing page. Okay, over 50,000 copies have been sold since 2009. So you promote this product. You promote this product right here. Okay, this long form landing page. You're going to be promoting this product, and then whenever someone buys this product, you didn't even need to make the product, for example, you are going to get paid. Okay, so if you click here to say goodbye to your boring, bland bodybuilding diet forever, you secure the checkout for $9. For $9, you're going to be making $52 in commission. $52 just from promoting one $9 product. So how does affiliate marketing work? It's fairly simple. You create a landing page, then you create a bridge page, and then this is going to be your offer page where someone is actually going to buy your product. You can make a landing page really simply. You can make a bridge page. In your landing page, people are going to opt into your product, and then you're going to hit them with that email marketing blast. They click on your bridge page to actually watch yourself actually promote the video. So for example, you can make a video on bodybuilding and on that particular niche, for example, and you can actually, so where is it? Metabolic fat loss cookbook. So for example, muscle building cookbook. Okay, you can make a video right here on your bridge page and tell them like, oh, I actually used this cookbook and it helped me gain 20 pounds of muscle. This guy has been the best coach in the entire world, blah, blah, blah. And then you send them to your offer page, which is, this is their offer page. And when someone buys it, you are going to be making $52. You don't need to sell that much products to actually make money online. Now, how can you make the sales funnel really easily, really simply within like 2 minutes? You go click on my YouTube description down below. You can get started today with Builderall. It helps you. It's the most powerful marketing platform in the world, and you can get started now for just $1 because it helps you make unlimited websites, unlimited landing pages. Okay, you could send as much emails as you can for only $1. Video hosting, membership websites, e-learning, unlimited email marketing, and you can get started today really easily. Okay, so once you sign up through my affiliate link below, I'll be getting paid for just promoting this product. You're going to go to the Cheetah web builder. Okay, all you got to do is click choose right here, and we can make a sales funnel really simply, really easily this way. So once it loads up, you could do a business funnel page, course page, legal pages, agency. Let's do a health and fitness. Okay, so we can do preview this Cheetah builder, for example, and it makes your entire website for you step by step really easily from just one click of a button. Okay, and then you could just change all of these. It's going to take you how to do it really simply. So we could do coach funnel pages, for example. Okay, you could do niche funnel pages, and let's go look at this one, for example, yoga. Okay, so I want a free week of yoga. Whenever someone clicks this link right here, this is going to be your landing page, for example. So this is your landing page. Then they set up their email. You get their email so you could promote other products. So once you click this one, it's going to take you to a bridge page, for example, your bridge page, where you're going to be talking about your affiliate offer and how well it works, things of that nature. And then you're going to send them off to another link. So let's say they click this button, they're going to be taken to the offer page, which is whatever you want to promote. If you want to promote anabolic recipes, you're going to be promoting this website right here. And when someone clicks and orders now for only $9, you're going to be making $52. You can make a sales funnel really quickly, really easily for only $1, and it's going to take you 3 minutes minimum. Okay. If you want a full affiliate marketing on how to actually build a landing page, how to build a bridge page, and how to do the whole email marketing system, I suggest clicking my YouTube description and then click right here. Are you looking for the easiest way to make money online? Check this video out from my mentor who helped me generate over $103,450 as a complete beginner in affiliate marketing. He helped me create a proper online business. If you click this link below, it's going to take you to this landing page. For example, it's for anyone who wants to start a profitable online business but doesn't know where to begin. This is you. All you got to do is click your instant access, sign up with your name, sign up with your email, and then it's going to show you a full training tutorial that's around 30 minutes long. It's very in-depth. It's going to show you how to do it step by step and how you can get actually started today. That is it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. That is it. Peace out. Have a great rest of your day.